Screen record on iPhone 17 series model with built-in sound or an external mic. Whew, it's super easy. First up, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Look for the little circle with a dot inside. That's the screen record button. If you don't see it, no stress. Tap on the plus button at the top left corner or long touch and hold to edit the control center. Tap on the Add a Control option and search for the screen recording option. Here's the recently added screen recording shortcut. Tap anywhere to save it. Now, once it's there, just tap that button. You'll get a 3-second countdown and boom, your iPhone starts recording everything on your screen. You'll see the red status bar at the top while it's recording. To stop recording and save to camera roll, Photos app, tap on red status bar and stop. Now, screen recording saved to Photos app. Want to record with sound? Long press that screen record button, tap the microphone on Here's Default app is Photos app, and then hit Start Recording. You can also stream your screen recording straight to supported apps on your iPhone. Just pick the app from the list and start your live broadcast. When you're done, tap the red bar at the top and hit Stop. The video automatically saves to your Photos app, ready to share or edit. For troubleshooting, like if the mic input isn't working, you're trying to use AirPods as the mic, or screen recording won't start, check out my separate tutorial linked in the video description. That's it, quick and simple. If this helps, smash that like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips.